nakita niyo yung importance of advice, talking to the patients.
Yes,
No?
sir.
So it's good, Jan, ikaw si Jan, no? Okay.
Yes po,
So
sir.
I heard how you explain to the patient. That's the way to go. Uh, tell them everything, no? Guide them, no? Pag wala silang alam, pabalik-balik lang sila dyan, no? Okay. And then tell them the diagnosis, which I did, di ba? Which you
Yes, sir.
reinforce, no? Ganon, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
direct to the point, no? So when you're in the clinic, go direct to the point. Wag na yung mga
Yes, sir.
review of system mo na, no? Tsaka na lang
Mm.
yung mga review of system, mga ibang other data kung kailangan lang. Okay? So at the moment, your priority is diagnosis,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay? Diagnosis can be, kumisan, two diagnoses at the same time. Kumisan, isa lang, no? But
Mm.
be wary of those two different entities. No?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So, any questions, any feedback on what you saw, what I did, and what you did? Okay.
Sir, I appreciated po the directness po of how we approach po. Talagang nakita ko po yung parang how we practice po, how we apply po yung parang yung napanood po namin na video, yung approach niyo po, the flow po of how we conduct po our assessing our patient in the OPD. And alam ko po na may mga sabi natin may difficulties or limitations po yung parang teleconsult, but we appreciated po yung gantong perspective po at saka approach po with the patient po. And sobrang dami ko po sir natutunan when it comes po sa skills on how we approach with the patient in assessing and of course advising po the patient. Lalo na po na hindi po madali para po sa kanila or even sa amin po na magsabi po ng mga gantong klase po na diagnosis po sir. Kaya thank you po sir for the learning sir.
Okay. Sige. How about Rob? Unjen?
Hello po, sir. So on my part naman po, actually I found it very challenging po at first. Kasi in LU3 po and LU4, we were taught to be like, very comprehensive in a sense na kailangan po tanungin lahat from HPI to PMH to ROS na like per system dadaanan po talaga lahat. So this exercise po now highlighted po na we should be, ayun nga po, direct and at the same time systematic naman po to come up with a diagnosis since that is really what the patient went in for to know what his condition is po. So ayun po, na-appreciate ko rin po na ayun, to refine po really my history taking skills and physical examination skills po to be more targeted po so that we can come up po with an accurate diagnosis po.
Okay. Thank you. Si Luisa. Boss?
Yes, yes sir. Ako naman po, yung natutunan ko po is yung practicality po nung algorithm po na inintroduce niyo po sa amin. Kasi parang it somehow simplified po or parang provided a backbone for how we decide on um, kung ano po yung para clinical tests po na kukunin namin. Na-simplify din po yung mga possible differentials which would help us po in our future patients. Siguro sir, yung ano lang po sa akin ngayon, yung medyo um, parang palaisipan ko po with our patient's case right now is that parang is there a parang remote possibility po that the um, infraauricular mass is connected with the supraclavicular lymphadenopathy. So yun po yung iniisip ko lang right now. Pero I think because the clinical impression po for the infraauricular mass is benign, parang tumataas nga din po yung chance na they are not connected. So, yun po yung naglalaro sa isip ko right now po when we were
Okay.
discussing the case.
Okay. To answer your concern, when we talk about diagnosis, no, there are two terms that we have to remember: possibility and probability. No, anything is possible. No, okay. So when you ask me whether it's possible for that infraauricular mass and that nodes here on the supraclav area to be connected, it's possible. No, okay. But we talk about the thing to go by when we are in medicine is go by probability. No? So what are the chances are that these are connected or not connected? No? So we look at the data kasi yung clinically benign naman siya, no? On PE, rely on the PE first, no? Okay, before the history. Kasi yung 23 years yun could be inaccurate yon, no? Okay. So sometimes estimate lang yon, di ba? Pero kung 23 years, medyo accurate kahit na 10 years, that's a long duration already, di ba? Okay. So you go by probability, no? But always have in mind that still you can go wrong, baka 1%, 2%, no? Okay. Ganun lang, no? Okay? Always focus on the diagnosis mo na. Okay? Kasi the start of problem-solving, decision-making in all patients will always start with diagnosis, no?
Yes, sir.
Yung clinical diagnosis, no? Hindi yung paraclinical, ha? Yung clinical diagnosis muna. Okay? So, always start kung kahit na may mga lab test sila, huwag niyong tingnan niyo muna, no?
Yes, sir.
Make your own clinical diagnosis, no? Okay? Sige. Can we go to, meron pa isa, di ba?
Yes
Isang
po, sir.
grupo?
Yes, sir.
Meron po.
Sige.
Sir,
You
thank
can
you so
ask
much
more
po. Okay
questions
po
if
bang
you want to ask questions later on. Sige.
Okay, sir. Sir, okay lang po mag-picture po tayo, sir.
Sige.
Sige, sir.
Yeah.
Ikaw na lang mag-screenshot.
Ito tayo naman.
Sige. 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Sige po.
Thank you so much po, sir.
Okay. Mamaya grupo
Sir,
pa rin
yung
tayo isa. Yeah.
third question po pala, yung
Ah,
sa